5 key strategies to unlock lucrative payouts in affiliate marketing. Maximize your potential as a coach with our full coaching program. Learn and earn. Start learning and earning with a monetized coaching program today and live your dreams. The link is in the description. CO Meta description. Discover how to start an affiliate marketing venture with no initial cost and maximize your earnings. Learn about selecting the right network, optimizing campaigns, and leveraging free tools for success. Affiliate marketing offers a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs to start a business with little to no upfront costs, leveraging the power of the internet to generate income through affiliate network payouts. This comprehensive guide explores the essentials of starting an affiliate marketing venture from scratch, focusing on networks with free, easy startups and strategies to unlock lucrative payouts. Understanding affiliate network payouts. The commissions that affiliates receive for endorsing goods or services are known as affiliate network payouts. The payout models vary, including cost per action, CPA, cost per lead, corporal, and cost per sale, CPS, each offering different earning potentials based on the actions taken by the referred traffic. Understanding these models is crucial for selecting the right affiliate program that aligns with your marketing strengths. The appeal of free, easy startup in affiliate marketing. The allure of affiliate marketing lies in its low barrier to entry. Many networks offer free sign-ups, allowing newcomers to start promoting products without any initial investment. This section will guide you through the advantages of such opportunities, highlighting how they pave the way for anyone with a digital presence to embark on an affiliate marketing journey. 1. No product creation or inventory required. As an affiliate marketer, you do not have to create your own products or carry inventory. This means you can focus on promoting and selling products without the added responsibility and costs of product development and storage. This also allows you to choose from a wide range of products to promote, catering to your niche and target audience. 2. Low startup costs. The free sign-up and no inventory requirement make affiliate marketing a low-cost venture. You do not need to invest in creating a website or purchasing inventory, making it accessible for individuals with limited resources or budgets. This opens up opportunities for individuals from various backgrounds to become affiliate marketers. 3. Flexible work schedule. One of the attractive aspects of affiliate marketing is the flexibility it offers. As an affiliate marketer, you can work from anywhere at any time, as long as you have an internet connection. This allows individuals to work independently on their own schedules, which is appealing to those who value work-life balance and freedom. 4. Unlimited earning potential. Since affiliate marketers earn a commission based on each sale or action, there is no limit to how much they can earn. As you continue to grow your audience and gain expertise in promoting products, your earning potential also increases. This makes it an appealing opportunity for anyone looking for a side hustle or a full-time income. 5. No direct customer interaction. As an affiliate marketer, you do not have to deal with customer service or interact directly with customers. Your role is solely to promote and refer customers to the product or service, and the company takes care of all other aspects, such as handling orders and customer inquiries. This makes it a convenient and hassle-free option for individuals who prefer to work behind the scenes. Selecting the right affiliate network. Choosing the right affiliate network is pivotal to your success. This involves considering factors such as the network's reputation, the diversity of products, payout rates, and the ease of getting started. We'll introduce you to top affiliate networks known for their user-friendly startup processes and robust support systems, helping you make an informed decision. 1. ShareASale. ShareASale has been in the affiliate marketing industry for over 20 years and has a solid reputation. They have a large network of merchants and offer a wide variety of products to promote. Their user-friendly dashboard makes it easy to join and find suitable affiliate programs. They also have helpful tools such as deep linking and real-time reporting to help track your performance. 2. Commission Junction, CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction, is another reputable affiliate network that has been around for over 20 years. They have a strong network of merchants and offer competitive payout rates. Their platform is easy to navigate and offers advanced reporting and tracking tools. They also have a dedicated support team to assist affiliates with any issues. 3. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is one of the largest and most well-known affiliate networks, especially for those in the e-commerce industry. With a large selection of products to promote, it's a great option for those looking for variety. Their commission rates may be lower compared to other networks, but their high conversion rates make up for it. Their platform is also user-friendly and offers helpful tools for tracking sales and earnings. 4. Rakuten Advertising, formerly Rakuten Linkshare. Rakuten Advertising, formerly known as Rakuten Linkshare, is a global affiliate network with a strong international presence. They offer a diverse range of products and competitive commission rates. Their platform is easy to navigate, and they have helpful tools for deep linking and reporting. They also have a dedicated support team for affiliate marketers. 5. ClickBank. ClickBank is a popular affiliate network known for its vast selection of digital products, such as ebooks and online courses. Their platform is easy to navigate, and they offer competitive commission rates. However, their focus on digital products may not be suitable for all niches. They also have helpful tools for tracking sales and earnings. 6. Evangate Affiliate Network. Evangate is another popular network that focuses on digital products, particularly software and technology-related products. They offer competitive commission rates and have a user-friendly platform with advanced tracking and reporting tools. They also offer customizable promotional tools to help increase conversions. It's important to research and compare multiple affiliate networks to find the one that best suits your niche and promotional strategies. Consider the reputation of the network, the types of products they offer, and the support and tools available to help you become a successful affiliate marketer. Setting up your affiliate marketing venture for free. Starting your affiliate marketing business doesn't have to involve upfront costs. From choosing a profitable niche to signing up for affiliate programs and promoting products using free digital marketing strategies, this step-by-step guide covers all you need to know to get started on a shoestring budget. 1. Choose a profitable niche. The first step to starting an affiliate marketing business without upfront costs is to choose a profitable niche. This is the specific topic or industry that you will focus on and promote products related to it. Research popular and trending topics, and identify a niche that you are interested in and that has a loyal audience. 2. Identify affiliate programs. Once you have chosen your niche, it's time to identify affiliate programs that offer products or services related to it. Look for programs with a good commission rate and a diverse range of products to promote. 3. Sign up for affiliate programs. Most affiliate programs are free to join, so sign up for multiple programs that align with your niche. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. 4. Create a website or blog. Having a website or blog is essential for affiliate marketing, as it serves as a platform to promote your affiliate products. You can create a free website using platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Blogger. 5. Generate quality content. Content is king in affiliate marketing, and creating high-quality content is crucial to attract and engage your audience. You can write blog posts, create videos, or share visual content related to your niche. 6. Promote your affiliate products. Once you have created content, it's time to start promoting your affiliate products. Leverage free digital marketing strategies, such as social media marketing, email marketing, and SEO, to drive traffic to your website and increase your affiliate sales. 7. Build an email list. Building an email list is a cost-effective way to market your affiliate products and build a relationship with your audience. You can offer a freebie or lead magnet on your website to encourage visitors to subscribe to your email list. 8. Network with other affiliates. Joining online communities and forums for affiliate marketers is a great way to connect with others in your niche. You can share tips, collaborate, and learn from each other's experiences. 9. Monitor your progress and make adjustments. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to track and analyze your efforts regularly. This will help you identify what works and what doesn't and make necessary adjustments to improve your results. 10. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and effort, so be patient and persistent. With consistent effort and the right strategies, you can grow your business and make a profit without incurring any upfront costs.